Yo, hello, what's up mga idol at bossing ko? Have a blessed day everyone. Welcome back sa panibagong upload. Marami na naman po tayong mga quality units. Kaya sa mga kababayan kong naghahanap ng sasakyan dyan, huwag po kayong magsawang panoorin ang mga ina-upload kong video. Siya nga pala, nahack po ang aking Facebook account. Kaya habang nire-retrieve ko pa, pwede nyo po akong kontakin sa aking Globe, Smart, Viber, and WhatsApp account. Huwag na nating patagalin to, pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, pakilike and subscribe naman po at isama mo ng notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Alright, let's start. Ito na po sila. Nangunguna sa ating listahan. Meron po tayong 2015 acquired Kia Carnival 2.9EX CRDI LWV automatic transmission diesel engine odometer 86,000 km. Price 465,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa mga naghahanap dyan ng quality at affordable na Kia Carnival, long wheelbase na to, automatic transmission with Tiptronic shifting, all power and all mechanism working po lahat. May headrest monitor na to, clean and fresh intact interior, malinis ang ceiling nito, upuan pati mga sidings, at malamig ang aircon with automatic climate control. 8 to 9 seater ang capacity, maayos ang kondisyon ng mga upuan, wala pong punit, naka-sound setup na po ito. Well maintained and well preserved unit, spacious ang loob nito, foldable ang mga upuan, solid ang dirt chassis, wala po itong kalampag. Under the hood, naka 2.9 liter diesel engine that produces 182 horsepower at 343 Nm of torque. Malinis ang engine nito, wala po itong oil leakage at wala po itong overheat history. Naka 17 inches alloy wheels at makakapal pang mga gulong nito, nasa 85% trade life. Mayroon na itong roof rail at saka roof carrier, automatic door at automatic tailgate, gumagana po yan. Kompleto ang mga papel nito, naka-registered hanggang 2025, complete RFIDs. Sasakyan na lang tong unit, just diesel and go. Next, 2020 Ford Ranger Raptor 2.0 by turbo 4x4 automatic transmission diesel engine odometer 68,000 km. Price 1,328,000. Location Marikina City. Ang gwapo ng forma nitong Raptor, top of the line series. Kasa maintain itong unit with Kasa records. Push start button with cruise control. 10-speed automatic transmission with 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive option. All power and all panel gauge 100% working. Naka power seat, windows, doors and mirrors, gumagana rin po. Under the hood, smooth and quiet engine, fuel efficient, naka 2.0 liter bi-turbo power 4-cylinder diesel engine that produces 208 horsepower at 500 Nm of torque. Well maintained itong unit, all stock, all original, malinis ang bidliner matting at maganda po ang bidliner cover nito. Makakapal pang mga gulong nito, nasa 95% trade life, first owned unit. Ang ganda na pagkapula, makinis, wala po itong gasgas, walang dent. Naka-registered to hanggang 2025. Formado na po itong unit, nating to fix, sasakyan na lang to. Next, we have 2015 Kia Sportage 2.4EX AWD automatic transmission gas engine odometer 61,000 km. Price 460,000. Location Las Piñas City. Top of the line series, naka keyless entry na to, push start button. Smooth and responsive 6-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic shifting. May traction control system, naka dual ice cold aircon, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, naka Android touchscreen head unit with navigation with auxiliary and Bluetooth ready. Meron na rin tong reverse camera and sensors. Naka power seat na yan. All power windows, doors and mirrors. And automatic retractable side mirror. Gumagana po lahat. Pristine interior condition. 5-seater ang capacity. Lahat po ng upuan pati sidings. Naka all leather. Ang isa pang nagpaangas at nagpaganda sa unit na to, meron na tong sunroof at moonroof. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng crossover SUV na all-wheel drive, pwede mong i-consider to mga bossing. Sa mga interesado, pwede nyo pong i-view ang unit ng actual and you can bring your trusted mechanic para ma-check at ma-test drive nyo na rin po. Under the hood, superb and powerful engine, naka 2.4 liter gas engine that produces 182 horsepower at 240 Nm of torque. Good running condition, ready for long drive. Naka 2 to 18 inches alloy wheels at makakapal pang mga gulong neto, nasa 85%. Kompleto ang mga papel neto, ready for transfer at naka-register to hanggang 2025. Next, 2013 Toyota Fortuner 2.5G 4x2 automatic transmission diesel engine odometer 70,000 km. Price 710,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap naman dyan ng SUV na around 700k ang budget, meron din po tayong Toyota Fortuner 2013 model to, pero well maintained and well preserved unit, used but not abused. 7 to 8 seater ang capacity. Upuan pati sidings, naka leather, maayos pang kondisyon, wala pang punit, walang crack. Under the hood, this Toyota Fortuner powered by a 2.5 liter D40 diesel engine that produces 142 horsepower at at 343 Nm of torque. Guaranteed no engine issue, no hidden defects. Available po itong unit sa financing. Plus check po ng computation nasa screen. Naka all-in down payment na po tayo dyan. Kung may mga inquiry po regarding sa requirements ng financing, you can comment down below sa video or andyan po sa taas yung Smart and WhatsApp account ko po. Next, 2022 acquired Honda Brio 1.2 RS, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 30,000 km, price 595,000. Location Las Piñas City. Meron din tayong good as new condition na hatchback. Naka-keyless entry na to, smooth and responsive CVT transmission, naka-touchscreen head unit, malamig ang aircon with automatic climate control. Best buy unit to sa mga naghanap ng first car nila. Perfect tong unit pang everyday use, matipid sa gas at madaling i-parking. Under the hood, Honda Brio is powered by a 1.2 liter iVTEC inline-4 gasoline engine which produces 89 horsepower at 110 Nm of torque. Available po itong unit sa financing. Please check na lang po ng computation nasa screen. Sa mga cash basis po natin, negotiable pa po ito upon viewing at free na po ang transfer of ownership. Naka-garnish na po ang mga ilaw nito, nothing to fix, just gas and go. Next, 2020 Toyota Vios 1.3X LE, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 30,000 km, price 520,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa mga naghahanap naman dyan ng sedan, meron din tayong Toyota Vios, naka-power steering na to, naka-dual SRS airbag, naka-touchscreen head unit, all-power, windows, doors, and mirrors, properly working, naka-fabric seats, malinis at alaga to ng first owner, all intact, trunk space at may kompletong tools at spare tire. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood, naka 1.3 liter dual VVTi gas engine which produces 98 horsepower at 123 Nm of torque, naka-Amaron battery na rin po ito, ready for long drive. Kasama rin po itong unit sa financing. Please check ulit ng computation nasa screen. Outside appearance itong unit, makinis, naka-original shiny paint pa po yan. Mga gulong, naka-Yokohama po ito, makakapal pa. Naka-stock 15 inches alloy wheels at wala po itong gutter marks. Next, 2017 Toyota Avanza 1.5G, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 60,000 km, price 580,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa mga gustong mag-upgrade ng 7-seater, sa mga galing sedan, sa mga lumalaking pamilya, pwede nyo pong i-check tong unit. 1.5G variant ng Avanza, clean and fresh, intact interior, private use only, not bank repo. No issue ang unit na to, 100% not flooded unit, 100% no accident history, guaranteed no engine issue, naka 1.5 liter gasoline engine that produces 108 horsepower at 141 Nm of torque, fuel efficient, good running condition, ready to use. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Please check ulit ng computation nasa screen. Outside appearance itong unit, presentable body paint, naka-Dunlop ang mga gulong na ito. Sa 2017 model na to, well-maintained and well-preserved unit to. Next, 2016 Mazda CX-5 2.0V Sky Active, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 78,000 km, price 570,000. Location Las Piñas City. Another crossover SUV, naka-keyless entry na to, push start button, naka-Android touchscreen head unit, 6-speed automatic transmission, smooth ang shifting, walang delay. Bagong dating lang po itong unit, ipapadetail at ipapabapping pa po natin to para mas pogi po tingnan. 5-seater ang capacity at maluwag po ang trunk space nitong unit. Under the hood, naka 2.0 inline-4 Sky Active Technology gasoline engine which produces 155 horsepower at 203 Nm of torque. Malinis ang engine, wala pong oil leakage. Pasok din po itong unit sa financing. Please check ng computation nasa screen. Kung may mga inquiry pa po kayo dyan at para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa taas yung Smart and WhatsApp account ko po, or you can comment down below sa video para ma-assist ko po kayo. Next, 2016 Toyota Innova 2.8e, automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 70,000 km, price 755,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa nagpapahanap po sa akin ng Toyota Innova, eto na mga bossing, 8-seater MPV, smooth and responsive, 6-speed automatic transmission with eco mode and power mode, naka dual ice cold aircon, naka deep dish matting na rin po itong unit, naka leather seat ang mga upuan, all intact interior, smooth ang suspension nito at wala po itong kalampag. Under the hood, superb quality engine, naka 2.8 liter diesel engine which produces 172 horsepower at 360 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Plus check po ulit ng computation nasa screen. Pormado na rin tong Toyota Innova na to. Naka-roof rail, naka-garnish ang mga ilaw, may rim gutter at may stipboard. Naka-stock 16 inches alloy wheels at wala pong gutter marks at naka-Michelin ang mga gulong neto. Nasa 90% trade life. Next, 2014 Toyota Vios 1.5G automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 30,000 km. Price 395,000. Location Las Piñas City. Swerte ang makakuha nitong Vios. Hindi po masyadong gamit to ng first owner. Ginagamit lang po niya tuwing magbabakasyon. Nag-upgrade lang po siya ngayon ng SUV. Sa 2014 model, 30,000 km ang tinakbo. Pwede nyo pong ipacheck sa kasa. Well maintained and well preserved unit to. Mga upuan nito, naka leather seat cover. Best buy unit to, paunahan na lang kayo. Under the hood, naka Motolite battery to. Powered by a 1.5 liter VVTi gasoline engine that produces 107 horsepower at 142 Nm of torque. Good running condition to, ready for long drive. Pwede rin pong ipasok to ng financing. Pa-check na lang po ng competition. Andyan po sa screen. Sa mga interesado, pwede nyo pong puntahan ng unit. You can bring your trusted mechanic. Negotiable pa naman po itong unit upon viewing at free na po ang transfer of ownership. Next, 2019 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 1.2 GLS automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 40,000 km. Price 450,000. Location Las Piñas City. Another quality na sedan, top of the line variant. Push start button na po itong GLS variant ng Mitsubishi. Naka-touchscreen head unit na to with reverse camera. Pristine interior condition. Malinis ang mga upuan nito. Maayos ang kondisyon ng ceiling pati sidings. Malinis ang papel nito. LTO and HPG verified. Under the hood, guaranteed no engine issue. Naka 1.2 liter 3-cylinder gasoline engine that produces 78 horsepower at 100 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Paka-check na lang po ulit ng computation nasa screen. Flawless ang outside appearance ng unit. Wala po itong gas-gas, walang dent. May rain gutter na po ito. Naka full garnish set. May fog lamps. Ready to use. 2016 Nissan Juke 1.6 CVT automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 60,000 km. Price 470,000. Location Las Piñas City. Pormado na tong Nissan Juke. Naka-mugs na to at ang ganda ng pagka-black. Naka-keyless entry na to. Push start button. This Nissan Juke mated with a CVT transmission, all power and all mechanism, 100% working. 5-seater ang capacity at ang mga upuan nito naka all leather seat cover. Malinis at intact ang interior nito, smooth manakbo. Under the hood, naka 1.6 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine that produces 116 horsepower at 154 Nm of torque. Walang tagas ng langis ang makina nito. No talsik, no usok, no blow-by. Syempre, kasama rin po itong unit sa financing. Paki-check na lang po ng computation andyan sa screen. Siya nga po pala, sa mga nagtataka po kung bakit hindi po ako makontak sa aking Facebook page. Nahack po yung aking FB account kaya nire-retrieve ko pa po. For now, pwede nyo po akong kontakin sa aking Globe number, Smart, Viber, and WhatsApp account. Next, 2014 Subaru Forester 2.0 XT AWD automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 70,000 km. Price 560,000. Location Las Piñas City. Naka-keyless entry na to. Push start button. Multi-function steering wheel with cruise control. All stock, all original interior. Kahit 2014 model to, well maintained and well preserved unit. Naka-deep dish matting na to at lahat po ng upuan naka all leather seat. Malinis ang interior, all intact at maluwag po ang cargo bay nito. Under the hood, excellent engine condition. Naka 2.0 liter gas engine that produces 250 horsepower at 350 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Please check ulit ng computation nasa screen. Outside appearance nitong unit, stock original shiny paint, very presentable. Kompleto ang mga papel nito, ready for transfer, LTO and HPG verified at naka-registered to hanggang 2025. Next, we have 2019 Toyota Rush 1.5G automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 90,000 km. Price 710,000. Location Las Piñas City. Another 7-seater MPV, casa maintain with casa records. Naka-keyless entry na rin to, push start button, 4-speed automatic transmission. Check nyo po ang second row nitong Toyota Rush. Okay naman po ang space ng legroom tsaka headroom. Well-maintained unit. Under the hood, naka 1.5 liter 2 in RVE dual VVTi gas gasoline engine that produces 102 horsepower at 134 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit sa financing plus check ng competition nasa screen. Outside appearance, flawless ang unit na to. May rin gutter na rin to. Naka full garnish set. Naka 16 inches 2-toned alloy wheels at ang mga gulong neto makakapal pa, nasa 85% trade line. Next, 2017 Mazda 2 1.5 Sky Active automatic transmission gas engine odometer 50,000 km. Price 430,000. Location Las Piñas City. Baka may naghahanap sa inyo nitong Mazda 2 Sky Active. Check this out mga bossing. All power and all mechanism 100% working. Naka touchscreen head unit na to. Clean and fresh intact interior. Smooth ang suspension at wala po itong under chassis noise. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Paki-check na lang po ng competition. Andyan po sa screen. Nothing to fix. Good running engine condition. No issue. Alright. Ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may nakursonadahan kayo. At kung wala po po dyan yung unit na kursonada nyo, just comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Marami pong salamat. This is Jay Catskill Vlogs. Peace out!